Hey guys, what's going on? Thank you for stopping by Sparky's HakShak. I'm Sparky. I'm in the indoor portion of this HakShak here where the air conditioning is, which is a really important thing right now. But more importantly than that is the update for the channel. This is a little video. I wanted to be able to just kind of celebrate you guys, you, the subscribers of the channel. Thank you so much. We just hit the milestone of 200 subscribers. It doesn't sound like much, but it's really important to me to know that you guys actually like watching the videos that I've made and that they've been helpful. Thank you. I appreciate it. Other stuff going on in addition to that, I can give you guys an update. Like got some new tools in the garage. I'm working on getting it cleaned up to where it's not a ridiculous mess. I have another 1 hour build challenge video that I haven't been able to edit together yet. No spoilers at all. I'm not going to let you know if I made it or not. But anyways, once I get that put up, you'll see it here. Let's see what else is on the horizon. I think what I want to do is like a time-lapse or a snapshot progression video of me cleaning up my backyard. Right now the yard is a complete wreck, and it was way worse earlier in the year. But I'm making slow progress to getting it cleaned up. We had a tree taken down, and it was just a huge tree. There's a large portion of it that is still stuck in the ground in the backyard that I'm working on getting cut up. So that's on the horizon for the summer that I'm working on. We put together some more videos, some more how-to videos, setup videos, that kind of stuff. We can also I want to explore more storytelling instead of just instructional. That's stuff on the horizon. Stuff that's happened since February, my last video about the partner program. Life does continue after being taken out or removed from the partner program. Totally cool with it. I'm surviving just fine. This is a really long update video. There is going to be a lot of stuff that I'm working on in the future that's going to be around this technology that I've gotten into, between the 360 cameras, the video storytelling, videography, capture an event and share it. So it's something that I'm thinking about getting into, kind of again as a hobby, but then also maybe pursue it into something more. But we'll see. I've got a hunting trip coming up with my father, and hopefully we can be able to video the entire thing and put it together, whether it's like a series. We got a little over a year until the hunt, and I think it will be a pretty cool thing to be able to kind of create a series that showcases the progression, the preparation, the travel, the setting up at camp, and then going out and actually pursuing the game and the challenge of the hunt as that, but then also just trying to chronicle the entire thing. Anyway, I'm kind of rambling about it, but I'm really excited. It's an opportunity that's on the horizon. All right, so and something else that's been happening since February. I've taken some time, taken some money, and invested in some stuff. Still haven't got a really nice camera yet. Still using my phone, but what I did invest in is a gimbal. So right now this is on a gimbal, and whoa, hey, watch it. So I'm actually using my phone stuck in a gimbal to help smooth this out, so my chats with you guys and my videos with whatever tool we're working with or whatever else is going on is super smooth. So I've been practicing with the gimbal, trying to get used to it. I've been running around the yard with the dog, trying to see, what the gimbal can do, what it can't do, and so far it's been pretty amazing. What's crazy is I've locked it to where it is stuck there. Sorry, hang on. Okay. In addition to that, I have invested in something like this little guy. Went out and grabbed me a Mavic Air, and I've been looking into the requirements to pilot it safely. a lot of stuff is involved with one of these things. It's not, you know, especially if you're going to use the video for like a wedding or real estate, or even post videos or pictures in a YouTube video that's monetized. The use of that is not as straightforward as you would think. Well, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. If you want to do anything to make money at all, in any way, shape, or form, you have to have a 107 certification through the FAA. So that's another thing on the horizon, the things over the next year that I'm going to have to get in place. So yeah, I want to be able to use that drone whenever we go on our hunt and try to integrate all that footage together. It's a big undertaking for me, and working it into the rest of life as it goes on, that is going to be challenging. So be able to work on my project management skills, my time management skills, my creativity, video editing, storytelling, all that stuff. I'm really stoked about it. If anything that I've mentioned in this video is intriguing to you, or you want me to expound on more, you know, just leave me a comment, and we'll start the conversation. So personally, I'm really interested in trying to get my 107 and increase my capability of storytelling, videography, and that kind of stuff. If you guys have done it and have some tips, you know, let me know. Throw a comment down there, and let me know, and we'll start that conversation too. So thank you guys again, every single one of you. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for being part of the conversation here. Keep stopping by, taking a look at, see what I've got going on. And if you haven't seen anything in a while, any updates or anything, you know, poke me, send me a message, throw a comment or something on there. We'll try to keep each other accountable. So thank you guys again. Take care.